Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017
Lincoln MKT.
This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rain-sensing wipers, ventilated front seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control. Inside you'll find navigation system, technology package, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
With Lincoln Certified Pre-Owned Vehicles, you can rest assured that you're getting a vehicle you can count on. All Lincoln Certified vehicles go through a thorough inspection by factory-trained technicians and come with a comprehensive warranty. And just to ease your mind, they also provide 24/7 roadside assistance. Check out your local Lincoln dealer today to find out all the other benefits buying a Lincoln Certified vehicle can offer you.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.